In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. This is a quick and simple process, and it's useful if you want fewer sign-in prompts or if you're changing how you secure your Google account. Just keep in mind that turning this off will make your account less secure, so only do it if you're sure it's the right choice for you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This will take you directly to the Google account security page, where all of your sign-in and protection settings are located. If you're not already signed in, Google may ask you to log into your Gmail or Google account. Go ahead and enter your email and password so you can access the security settings. Once you're on the security page, look for the section that says Signing in to Google. This is where Google keeps options related to your password, two-step verification, and other login protections. Under that section, click on two-step verification. You may be asked to confirm your password again, so if that prompt appears, just re-enter your password to continue. After you open the two-step verification settings, you should see an option to turn it off. Click Turn Off. Google will usually give you one more confirmation step to make sure you really want to disable it. When that confirmation appears, click Turn Off again to finalize the change. And that's it. Two-step verification in Gmail is now turned off. At this point, you can sign in with your password only, without needing a second verification method each time. Again, I recommend only doing this if you fully understand the security trade-off, especially if your account contains important email, files, or personal information. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.